At this time of the year, we all are experiencing the hardships of the spreading virus, and hope you all are well. And I'm going to show you how to mix, match and create a meal at a time like this. So you don't need to get all these ingredients, you can get whatever you have around you. And I'm going to use few eggplants and one large spring onion, few beans, and about a bunch of chives, few jalapeno chilies, or you can use sweet capsicums or red or yellow capsicums, 4 eggs, 1 tomato, 2 carrots, about 2 cups of flour and 2 cups of milk. Instead of milk, you can use water. Even you can go without eggs and add a bit extra flour. So let's start doing this. This is a so simple and easy meal that you can create in 20 minutes. All you need to do is to gather vegetables around you. You can add meat into this or even the fish. So chop the vegetables. I'm going to cut the chives. And chop the beans finely too. Add into the bowl. Now cut the chili or the peppers. If you find it will be hot, you can always get the seeds out. Add into the bowl. Now the spring onion. Now the eggplants. Next, cut the carrot or grate the carrots. Add the carrots too. Then the tomato. And add into the vegetables. Now break the eggs into it. Next, add enough salt and pepper. Then the milk and mix. Now add the flour bit by bit. So leave it to rest about 5 minutes. So put a pan on the stove and add some oil and brush the oil all over the pan and add a spoonful of the mix onto it. Flatten. After a few minutes, turn it upside down. And cook on both sides until golden brown. So they are ready and I'm going to take them out. I finished making them and they are really nice and soft, and you can serve this as this is, or with a nice dip or a curry or even something in the middle, or even butter. Simple and easy meal to assemble everything and make a one-pot meal. Hope you will enjoy. See you next time.